In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with drawings or the capital withdrawals by director for personal use. So here on 31st of January, we have a transaction of cash withdrawn by director for personal use. And it's mentioned here that it's drawings. That means this company is a single owner company and the director is maybe the owner of the company, and he's withdrawing some amount for personal use and he just wants you to consider it as a capital withdrawn. So we will debit drawings as the capital, and against that we will just simply credit the cash. Otherwise, if the director is using something for personal use and it is a private limited company, then the company should be considered a separate business from its owner. So this means that the company is giving loan to the owner. So in that case, it should be that. But since this is a single owner company, they can withdraw their amount whenever they want. So let's enter this in accounting. Click on the accounting, click on journal entries and click on new. In the reference, I'll just copy and paste this narration. 31st of January is the date. It goes under miscellaneous operations. I'll just mention here drawings. If the account is already not there, what I can do is just click on add a new line and search for the relevant area. We can also sort it by type to see what we have in equity. So we have net owner's equity, we have general reserves, we have opening balance equity, and we have dividends. Let's create a new one on, let's say 302,000 because that doesn't exist. So click on new, 302,000, and this is drawings, or you can call it owner withdrawals. Save it. Okay, it says that account code must be unique, so let's add a 1 here, and that should be it. Under the labels, I'll just copy this, paste it here. The debit amount is 45,000. The credit is cash. Label, I'll just copy and paste that. So all is good. Just click on post, and after that just click on the reporting and make sure that it's shown in the right area in the balance sheet especially. So if we scroll down and if we set it to the end of 2025, I think it's not reflecting it here. Click on the configuration, click on chart of accounts, and it is under 302,100. Let's allow this for reconciliation. Click on reporting and balance sheet now. And basically on the face, you won't be able to see that entry, but if you click on the particular results, you will find your entry here somewhere. Let's go back to the balance sheet and let's click on the current year returned earnings. Let's scroll down and you can see your transaction right here. So it's properly treated, only it is not shown on the face of balance sheet. So that's how the owner withdrawals entries are done in Odoo. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.